Meditating upon acupuncture points is a very unique and rewarding endeavor. In today's video, we are going to practice a 12 support the 1 meditation with some pranayama breathwork. Hi, I'm Beck. Thanks for being here. Let's begin by bringing your palms to prayer, to Anjali Mudra. So gently pressing the palms together with the heel of the thumb against your sternum. Beautiful. And we will begin by chanting together 3 rounds of Om. Nice deep inhale. So feeling the reverberation of your chant throughout your cells. Let's bring the hands to the body. So one hand resting over your heart and the other hand resting across your lower belly or your navel. Let's begin to breathe into the lower hand. And softly closing down your eyes if you haven't already done so. And bringing your awareness to your breath. So pressing the tip of your tongue where your teeth meet your palate. And perhaps swallowing. And swallowing again. Just to create a nice even seal with the tongue against the roof of your mouth. Let's take 3 reset breaths together. So a nice deep inhale. At the top of your breath, another inhale. And a long, slow, even exhale. And again, deep inhale. Another inhale. And a long, slow, even exhale. Once again, inhale. Another inhale. And a long, smooth, slow exhale. Beautiful. Let's rest your hands where they are comfortable for you and come to your Ujjayi breath. So the soft constriction of the muscles in your throat to create the ocean sound. And we'll begin by practicing Samariti 1. So an even inhale. And an even exhale. So it's beginning to count your breath. So perhaps counting in for 4 or 5. And exhaling for the same count. 4 or 5. Just maintaining your focus upon your breath. Staying with your count. and observing the way your body moves with your breath. Okay, let's begin our activation. So we drift the awareness from the inside of the body to the outside. It's making a conscious connection to the energy body, to our energy field, our energetic anatomy. Making a clear and conscious connection to the heavenly bodies, to the sun, to the moon, and to the stars. So bringing your attention to the crown point, Tianmen, celestial fullness. Sensing or seeing or feeling or knowing that there is now a column of light from your crown chakra infusing cosmic ray into your crown point, Tianmen. Beautiful. Making a clear and conscious connection to your highest, most divine self. Infusing that information into each and every living cell. Let's face the palms up towards the sky and bring a pathway of light down into your right palm. So from Tianmen to Laogong, pericardium 8 in your right hand. Beautiful. Now from your right hand across to the left Laogong, pericardium 8. And from the left palm back up to the crown point, Tianmen. So noticing now that you are sitting safely inside a triangle of light. Beautiful. Let's bring simultaneously all 3 points to the center of your chest, connecting with your heart chakra and anahata. Take a nice deep breath, staying with the ujjayi. And checking the position of your tongue, perhaps swallowing again. Okay, bringing your awareness now down to the 4 points surrounding your navel, karmic release points. Point of stillness above, Huang Shu to the right, Huang Shu to the left, and Yin Jiao beneath. So visualizing the 4 points in the shape of a diamond with your navel at the center. Take another nice deep breath. Beautiful. Let's come to the last part of the sequence, in the space beneath the navel in your lower belly. Qi high above. Siman to the right. Siman to the left. And Guan Yuan beneath. Again, just visualizing those 4 points in a diamond shape. Take another nice deep breath. So maintaining your focus now upon your breath. And when you feel ready, deepening your inhale Relaxing your hands, relaxing your feet, and allowing the gaze of your eyes to rest at yin tang, the space between your eyebrows. Enjoy the activation. Namaste.